Nature's therapeutic power. An overview. A walk in the park lifts spirits. 20 minutes in nature improves mental health, supported by scientific evidence. The science behind time, perception, and mental health. Time perception is a fascinating aspect of human cognition. Our environment can drastically change how we perceive time. Urban settings compress time, increasing stress. Natural settings elongate time, promoting relaxation. Nature helps restore attention and reduce stress. Integrating nature into daily routines benefits mental health. Time perception in urban versus natural environments. Time perception is influenced by surroundings. Urban environments compress time, heightening stress. Nature slows our sense of time. This shift alleviates stress and enhances mindfulness. Attention restoration theory. The science of mental rejuvenation. Natural environments benefit our mental health. Urban settings cause mental fatigue. Nature allows our minds to rest. Time in nature offers cognitive recovery. Section 3. Mindfulness and emotional health. Nature's role. Nature fosters mindfulness by drawing our attention to the present. The rustling of leaves and bird sounds help us stay grounded. This mindfulness can reduce anxiety and depression. Moments of clarity are crucial for emotional regulation. Nature provides a sense of awe, lifting our spirits. The vastness of landscapes reminds us of the bigger picture. This emotional uplift is a natural antidote to daily stress. Nature, mindfulness, and emotional health highlight the transformative power of the natural world. Nature's impact on stress hormones. Cortisol spikes in stressful situations. Chronic urban stress harms health. Nature reduces cortisol levels. Studies show green spaces lower cortisol. The role of the vagus nerve. Enhancing relaxation. The vagus nerve regulates relaxation and homeostasis. It slows the heart rate and promotes calm. Nature enhances vagal tone. Higher vagal tone improves emotional regulation. Natural stimuli release relaxing neurotransmitters. Physical activities in nature stimulate the vagus nerve. Nature-based activities offer mental health benefits. Amygdala activity. Emotional processing in natural settings. The amygdala processes emotions, especially fear and anxiety. Nature exposure calms the amygdala, reducing stress. Time in nature decreases amygdala activity. Larger hippocampus in rural adolescence. A cognitive edge. The hippocampus is critical for memory and spatial navigation. Adolescents in rural areas have a larger hippocampus. This translates to better memory and learning. Natural stimuli enhance cognitive development. Nature exposure requires active engagement. Varied landscapes stimulate hippocampus growth. Urban environments lack the same challenges. A larger hippocampus aids emotional regulation. Access to nature is crucial for growth. Nature's emotional buffer. The amygdala processes emotions, particularly fear and anxiety. Nature reduces amygdala activity, buffering emotional stress. Just an hour in nature decreases amygdala activity. This leads to lower fear and anxiety, improving well-being. Nature as therapy. Nature's positive impact on brain development and emotional health is compelling. Walks, hikes, or garden time provide mental health benefits. Nature aids anxiety and depression. Green prescriptions are gaining popularity. Parks and gardens provide relaxation and socialization. Green spaces contribute to improved mental health. Spending time in nature benefits mental health. It reduces cortisol and enhances vagal tone. Nature calms the amygdala and benefits the hippocampus. It promotes relaxation and mindfulness. Nature reduces stress and enhances brain function. Nature benefits mental health. Just 20 minutes daily can improve well-being. Nature prescriptions are rising. Simple activities like walking or gardening provide necessary exposure. Implementing nature-based solutions maximizes mental health benefits. Urban planning should prioritize green spaces. Parks and community gardens offer accessible nature. Schools can integrate nature-based learning. Outdoor classes engage students. These experiences enhance cognitive development. Workplaces can support mental health. Green spaces reduce stress. We can incorporate nature into daily life. Simple actions make a difference. Integrating nature into urban life is increasingly important. Accessible green spaces are critical. Urban planning must prioritize parks and gardens. Biophilic design incorporates natural elements. Bringing nature into built environments promotes well-being. Examples include office buildings with indoor gardens. Community initiatives support integrating nature. Urban gardening and tree planting foster community. These initiatives enhance social well-being. Integrating nature into daily life improves mental health.